Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be swatching 3 new colors from Kylie Cosmetics. Todd Kraines, which is a limited edition Kris Jenner Kylie collaboration that just came out. It's Velvet. And 2 new high glosses that I got, which are Snatched and Diva. I'm working on a very big nude swatch mega comparison video for you guys. It's definitely a lot of work, but I'm gonna do it, and I think it should be up between this week and next week. I am in the middle of high stress wedding planning, so originally I was gonna do that video this week, but wedding planning took precedence. As always, timestamps are in the description below for when certain lips begin and when they end. And if this is your first time to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I try to post videos twice a week. First up is Todd Kraines, and Todd Kraines is a muted peach nude. Anti-Chris, it's Todd Kraines. And if you're like, what is that from? It is from Keeping Up with the Kardashians. It's a prank that Scott plays on Kris Jenner. I think Khloe and Kourtney are all involved in it. So I thought it was the perfect homage to have it part of the Kris Jenner limited edition. I love the packaging, first of all. It says 10% because since Kris Jenner is the manager, she gets 10% of all profits, I believe. Okay, so I honestly didn't see a lot of different skin colors with this specific color. I only really saw Kris Jenner's, I believe, and I think Kylie's skin with this. But I actually think this is a beautiful, beautiful velvet shade for fair skin. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised at how good it looks. I am curious to see how this compares to other colors. So again, that big swatch comparison video that will come out in a week or 2 is gonna compare all different kinds of formulas, mattes and velvets and the lipsticks. Got you guys. At least with all the stuff that I have personally in my own collection. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this color a lot more. I think that this is a really good nude. Next up, we have Snatched, which is a high gloss, which is a new formula to me. I've never had it before. And Snatched is an opaque mauve pink. Alright, so I'm not really a gloss kind of person, so it's really hard for me to review glosses compared to normal glosses. This definitely feels thicker than the other Kylie Cosmetics lipsticks, although I will say that this color specifically is not as opaque as I thought it was gonna be. I kind of thought it would be like literally so cute, like those glosses. It does feel comfortable to wear. It's not like sticky feeling. It's more just thick, but it does feel moisturizing. It's just a little interesting to get used to. In terms of do I prefer the high gloss or the other gloss, I think I prefer the other gloss better. But I still really like this color, and I think that it is a cute color. On to the next. Next up is Diva, which is an opaque light pink. This color reminds me of bubblegum pop in the 90s. I think that I liked Snatched a little bit better than Diva in terms of color for fair skin, but I don't dislike this one. It's just something that I normally wouldn't wear for my particular skin tone. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Do you agree with me? Comment down below, let me know. I definitely, as I'm putting this on, I do prefer the old gloss formula and actually like the applicator tip from this high gloss one. I thought it was a little bit easier to put on the gloss on my lips versus the old applicator tip. So I would kind of want to marry that applicator tip with the original formula. But yeah, like I said before, I'm not a huge gloss person. I typically gravitate towards matte and then velvets. But I wanted to investigate to see if maybe this formula would completely change my mind about glosses. With that being said, I think that they are two cute wearable colors. They're definitely not as opaque as I thought they were gonna be. I don't know if that makes any sense. It's not that it's like completely clear either. It's very much like if this is clear and this is opaque, it's like here. So it's basically opaque basically, but I just thought it was gonna be kind of like so cute, like literally like that kind of opaqueness. So those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see any swatch comparisons, comment down below. Again, I definitely do have that big swatch comparison video coming out soon, and if you're watching this video and it's been way more than 2 weeks from now, it's probably going to be linked at the end of this video, so you could just check that out. I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day, and yeah, bye.